Hello and welcome to Growth Learners YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn how to do location-based targeting in Facebook and Instagram ads. So basically, if you want to show your ads in a specific location, which can be a country, a city, specific pin codes, or even at a very granular level, where if you want to select a specific apartment or a locality in a city, then how to do that and how to serve your ads in your desired locations. So we will set up a campaign together and learn how to do this practically. So to do this, we will go to our ads manager account and create a new campaign. So click on this create button. We have to select the campaign objective. So for this example, we'll choose awareness as the objective and click on continue. Now you can give a name to your campaign. You can give any name as per your need. I am naming it as location example. Go down. No need to change anything else here except the budget. You can set the budget based on your requirement. The default setting for me is 1000 Indian rupees. So I'm leaving it as is. Go down and click on next. So now we have reached at the ad set stage. Okay. So this is the section where we will do the location targeting. So first in the ad set stage, you have to give a name to your ad set. You can give any name based on your understanding right now because this is just a demo. I am leaving the name as is. Go down. Select your performance goal again based on your requirement. I won't go into these details right now. What I want to show is just to do the location targeting. Come down. And if you can see here, this section audience controls, set criteria for where ads for this campaign can be delivered. This is the location section, right? So by default, the location which is selected for me is India. But if you hover around this, you will see this edit button, correct? So just click on this and now you see this search locations window has opened up. So just simply click on search locations. And now you can add new locations based on your requirement. So if you want to target any specific country, like for me here, India is selected by default. You can do that. For instance, I'll just remove India from here again and search in the locations. So I search for India. It is mentioned here, right? And if I zoom it out a bit, you can see that entire India has been selected. You can see this blue tick box. So like this, you can target any specific country. To give you one more example, I can just remove India and target Dubai. So it is showing in the options, Dubai, United Arab Emirates. I'll select this option. I'll again zoom out a bit. And as you can see now, Dubai has been selected for showing my ads. Now, if you want to target any specific city, so I'll again remove the country option. Now let's learn how to target a specific city. So for instance, in India, I want to show my ads in Bangalore. So I'll write Bangalore here and I can see the drop downs. I'll select the first option. Now, as you can see within India, I'll just zoom out again. This is the India map and in India, it has selected Bangalore as my target location. Now by default, it has selected Bangalore plus 40 kilometer. Now if you want to reduce the radius and not target 40 kilometers, but maybe target only say 20 kilometers around Bangalore. So you can just enter 20 here and click on the enter button. Now you can see it is selecting 20 kilometers around the city. So I have selected one city. Similarly, you can select multiple cities to target. For instance, if I select Mumbai, it is again showing down in the options. Select Mumbai and again Mumbai, Maharashtra plus 40 kilometers. So if needed, you can again reduce the radius that you want to target. So now you can see both Bangalore and Mumbai have been selected for me. So like this, you can target multiple cities within a country. Now the next thing which I want to show is we have learned at a country level, at a city level. Now the next thing is we can even target our ads at a pin code level. So let's do that. So I'll first remove these two cities. You can just hover around this and click on the cross button. Now again go to search locations and select a specific pin code. So for instance, I'm in Bangalore and my pin code is 560068. So when I enter that here, it is showing me this option, postcode 560068, correct? So I'll select this option. And now within Bangalore, it is targeting a very specific pin code. This specific area has been selected, right? So within the entire Bangalore city, we can target this minute specific location. And this is very, very powerful because if you are a local business or if you have an offline store and you want to target your ads very sharply, then you can use this pin code level targeting. Now you can even add multiple pin codes. So let's add multiple pin codes in Bangalore. This is another pin code which I want to target, right? So this is one pin code. This is another pin code. I'll add one more pin code. So see, in the entire city, I am targeting these 3 pin codes. So you can do this very sharp location based targeting based on your business's requirement. Similar to cities, you can even include pin codes from different cities as well. So right now we have included 3 pin codes from Bangalore. Now we'll just include one more pin code. This is from Mumbai, Maharashtra. So as you can see here, this pin code also has been selected. So basically, the reason to use very sharp pin code level targeting is if your target audience is sitting only in these locations, then it is very viable option to target only those specific locations so that you can end up using your budget properly, right? If your audience are in these locations, then why end up showing your ads to the entire Bangalore city or to the entire Mumbai city, correct? And that's why pin code level targeting is very critical. Now I'll show you the last option as well, which is very specific apartment level targeting also you can do. So I'll remove these pin codes. And now what I want to do is I want to target very specific localities or apartments in Bangalore city. So there is an apartment here, which is called Adarsh Palm Retreat in Bangalore. Right. So you can see when I entered that, I can see these options, and the apartment which I want to target is at the top, Adarsh Palm Retreat. So using this feature, I can target very specific apartment also. So this is even more granular than a pin code level targeting. And even around this apartment, what I can do is I can target as minimum as 1 kilometer around the apartment. Okay. So this is how granular you can go. So if you have an offline business which is catering to a very nearby vicinity around your business, then you can use this kind of a targeting as well. And here again, the way we targeted multiple pin codes, multiple cities, you can also target multiple apartments. You can add those options. So that is very much doable. So that's it, guys. This is what I wanted to teach you, how to do specific location based targeting in Facebook ads and use this feature to generate maximum ROI for your ad spends. Now to set up any campaign, there are other settings as well. For instance, audience selection, placement selection. So you can do that. I already have other videos where I've shown how to set up an entire campaign. If you don't know how to do that, you can see those videos. I hope you found this video useful. If yes, then like this video and do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.